Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is 57 Chev. Beautiful undercarriage, rebuilt 350 under the hood, beautiful stock appearing interior. You're gonna love checking this one out. Now we're gonna get it up on the lift and look at the bottom, pop the hood, fire it up, get out and drive it, look inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your 57 Chev. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check out this beauty. All the chrome up front's looking great. The bullets look great. The grill's looking awesome. Emblems look like they're brand new. Headlight surrounds look like they're new. Paint looks great. I love the color of this baby. Real cool looking color. It's kind of an offish, orangish red, man, looking sharp. You can see all the stainless down the sides looking great. It's got good looking Kragers on it. The stainless around the windshield looks good. Side view mirror looks good. The vent windows look good. The stainless up here looks good. The billboards on the side look good. All this stainless and chrome looks awesome. You can see the interior. Look at that. Looks all stock in there, just like from the factory, guys. Now, it does have an aftermarket steering column in it. It is a tilt column. It's all polished up. And of course, that's an aftermarket custom steering wheel. Great looking gauge cluster in there. All the aluminum and stainless on the dash looks great. The back seat looks just like the front seat. We do have seat belts in the front seat. Package tray looks good. Headliner's in beautiful shape. The door jambs are nice and clean. This is one of the first things I look at on every one of these cars. The end of the door looks good. The rubber's been replaced. Let me grab the keys here. We'll get inside the trunk. You can see the spears on top of the rear quarters are looking good. Chrome on the back bumper looks good. I got 3 choices for keys here, guys. Wish me luck. Look at that, first try. Inside the trunk looks just like stock. We got a spare tire, the jack, all the paint work here. We got the instructions for the jack there. All the gutter system around the trunk opening is nicely painted and nice and clean. Oh, don't forget, this is where the fuel fill is on a 57 Chevy. That's so cool. Bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted. The rubber's been replaced. Look down the side of this long beauty. Look at that body work. Beautiful work. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, this is not a consignment vehicle. We don't do any consignment whatsoever. We own all of our cars. So you can bet we spend the time to check the cars out before we buy them. Now when we bring them back here to our shop, we inspect them so we can answer any questions you may have about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he'll tell you all you want to know about this car. Right now we've got about 235 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. And we're buying between 45 and 50 new cars and trucks every month, guys. We've always got new inventory coming in. And I'm involved in buying every one of those cars and trucks. So what that means to you is you're getting my help picking out your dream car. All right, 57 Chev time, guys. This baby is sweet. Cruising down the road in 57 Chev Tri-5 right here, guys. Thing is sweet. It's got an aftermarket column in it and it is tilt wheel. Got air conditioning. Of course, we got the windows down. I got the air conditioning on too and I can still feel the air conditioning. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this 57 Chevy anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513 and Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. Now if you'd like some help with financing, we got 3 bankers we're working with on financing. It only takes about a 15-minute phone call with the banker, and this dream is in your drive, no problem whatsoever. Now it's driving nice and straight, brakes feel good, steering feels good. I really love this wood steering wheel, it's real sharp. It looks like the speedo's working here. Like I said, the AC is working. It does have the stock radio in it. That's just AM. So if you want to listen to some tunes, you're gonna have to upgrade that radio. Of course, I like listening to the exhaust. I don't listen to radio half the time in my daily driver. I'll tell you what, it's got a nice rumble to it, and she is driving great. Now, we're real close to the airport if you want to drive in, or if you want to fly in. Actually, you can drive in too. We're here on Saturdays. Call Tom, let him know you're coming if you want to come by, because we do have 80,000 square feet. I just worked with a customer yesterday where we had to dig a car all the way out of the back. We had to move about 15 cars to get his favorite one out. And you know what? He bought it, and we're shipping that baby to California for him. Listen to this thing hum. Man, does it sound good. Now, we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the undersides. And I'll tell you what, if you're looking to buy a Tri-5, check out the undersides. You got to check out those body mounts. That's the first thing to go on these. And the back sides of the rockers. A lot of guys will restore the outside of it and then do nothing with the floorboards. We always make sure they got good, solid foundations. Now here's our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. Stick with us, because right now is when we're going to get it up in the air, and we're going to show you the bottom side, and we're going to show you what's making the power and all the music coming out of those tailpipes. All right, we're underneath this 57 Chev now, and man, she's clean under here. You can see brand new exhaust. Back sides of the quarters are nice and clean. I got new body mounts here. We got primer on the floor just like it came from the factory. We got the original style rear end in it with right around the 342 gear, and it is posi. You can see new shocks. Now the brakes, the guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. Looks like a new fuel line running front to back. I see more body bushings here. You can see they've primered the whole floorboard here just like it would have been from the factory. Frame's in good shape here. Looks like they've added seat belts to the car. I see these big bolts with these big washers. That normally means seat belt bolts. Again, the body bushings here are all new. On these Tri-5s, you got to check all these braces on the floor. This is the most important one right here. This is the first one to rot out on every one of these cars. This one looks great. Bottom side of the rockers are nice and clean. Again, new body bushings here. Turbo 350 trans in here. That's obviously upgraded from the Power Glide that came in it from the factory. New brake lines up here, and again, drum brakes up front. The guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. We got new bushings on the sway bar. Ball joints also look like they were replaced at one time. Chrome on the front bumpers looking good. The front frame horns are nice and straight. You can tell the car's never been in any major accident. And even this cross member's in beautiful shape. I tell you, these are normally really beat up. This one's looking great. The car's beautiful underneath, guys. Let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got two 35/60/15s, BFGs. It looks like brand new Kragers. And look how nice and clean that wheel well is. Get that light up here. Look how clean that baby is. All that metal's looking good. The edge of that fender looks good. That rocker's looking awesome. And again, there's those new body bushings right there. Let's look on the rear. Out back here, again, two 35/60/15s. Same good looking Kragers. And again, the wheel well looking nice and clean. Man, that thing's beautiful. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 350 with dart heads on it. It's got a brand new, looks like Performer intake on it. That's an Edelbrock, and it does have a 670 4-barrel carb. It does have power brakes. It does have air conditioning. Everything under here is nice and clean. They've moved the radiator to the front of the core support. They've got a big electric fan on it. Got a nice, clean, brand new looking battery in it. It's got all the stock heater stuff here with the, you know, the blower motor and everything, and the evaporator for the AC all looks stock. It's got a newer style GM pump on it. Everything under here is nice and clean, guys. The car drives out awesome. I tell you, I've had a blast with this car. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.